Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I would like to show a craft that might come in very handy for you and your kids in the future. It is a birthday card. Sometimes you're invited to a party and at the last minute you think, oh my gosh, I don't have a birthday card. What will we do? So this is something you could make very easily. You just need a square of cardboard. That's all it is. And any cupcake liner you might have in your house. I have all kinds here because I do lots of crafts. This is a frozen one. That would be cute. Here's a butterfly. That would be cute. And I think just about anything you would want to use. And I have other polka dot ones like the one I have on my birthday card here. So all you do is you take your little cupcake liner, you glue it to your cardboard. Then I shoved some cotton balls in there to make it look like frosting. I put some cute little sparkly things. I happen to have some dragonflies and butterflies. But you don't need those. You can just use regular sparklies, whatever you have around, sequins or whatever. And then I put a toothpick in there with a little flame that I glued on him, like this. I glued that on there, and then I stuck that in my cupcake to make it look like a candle. So there you have it, your very own birthday card, and you could put to whoever, from whoever on there if you wanted, and they would have a very special birthday card for their birthday. And I'll bet no one else would give them the same birthday card that you did. It would be very special. Thank you. I hope you have fun making this. Happy crafting. Bye, and happy birthday to whoever you're giving this to. From me. Bye.